Hey YouTube, it's Sean. We're hanging in there, folks. Bringing you update on that COVID deal. We're going through sometimes with the kids, but we're on the climb. We're on the uphill road, I do believe. I don't think it's going to get much worse. I pray it doesn't. Katie is doing the nose thing and the chest thing. Lots of boogers. Tasha's gone through that already. She got it before Katie, and she's getting significantly better. She's almost cleared out. I'm liking that. God bless that. I so far haven't gotten it, but I can feel my immune system. Something ain't right. I've been really tired. A lot more. I have autoimmune, so I get sick pretty easy, but my immune system kicks in trying to fight things instantly, and that might be, in this case, something that's good. I don't know. I did talk to the doc, and she said that can happen, So, who knows, Autoimmune disease sucks. Ulcerative colitis sucks. Arthritis sucks. But, yeah, we're going through it. But no, Katie and Tasha are, they're on the mend. Vanessa's doing very well. Fully mended. So, this is the last update unless Katie gets bad again. Pray she doesn't. Keep praying for Katie. She's doing much better. But, we don't need any infections, sinus infections, residue from this COVID can be pretty epic. I know I got a sinus infection when I had it. My nose swelled up. Got all kinds of goofy stuff going on. So, alright, you guys take care of yourselves. Try to, hang on, I turned the scanner down. I'm a moderator on the Polk County scanner, so have the scanner on. I got scanners everywhere. Anyway, if I hear something, I post it on the Facebook page. But anyway, try to stay clear of this, folks, because it is pretty bad stuff. And got another friend. Vanessa works with the guy. It's one of her co-workers. He got the shots. He got it. Yep. Just Vanessa had to actually go to work early today, 7 a.m. to fill in. So it just shows if you get the shots, doesn't mean you're safe from this one. It's mutated, and it's man's cures don't always conquer diseases, and this is one of them. Alright, you guys take care of yourselves. Love y'all. And try to wear those masks, even though I don't think they're slowing them down. This stuff's epic. If you can get an N95 mask, it might. You hear the government's starting to give those out. You can get some for free, one for each of your family or something, but not sure. If they might be effective in this. Haven't had one, so I don't know. But I know that the common dust masks that people are wearing, the blue ones, the square, or the cups, the white cups, those are dust masks. Those are not effective for viruses, especially this one. But this is pretty bad stuff. In fact, this is the worst I've seen. Worst probably anybody that's alive at this point in date has seen. Alright, you guys take care of yourselves. Love y'all. I'm gonna quit psycho babbling. Love y'all. Bye-bye.